Hi, I'm Dr. Joe Nemeth. I am a periodontist in Southfield, Michigan, and every once in a while companies send me their products to evaluate. And so today we have an interesting product called Tokii. That's the name of the company or the product. This is the toothbrush itself. It comes in black, it comes in white. And what is so special about this toothbrush? Well, it has a built-in tongue scraper, and actually it looks like a pretty good tongue scraper. I think it would do a good job. So for instance, if you're traveling and you don't want to take a tongue scraper plus a toothbrush, you have them both in one. Now, someone pointed out to me, and it makes a lot of sense, what could possibly be wrong with this? Well, not really much, except the cost is close to $20, okay? So do you want to spend $20 on one toothbrush when you can buy so many for much less? Plus, it's not an electric toothbrush, it's a manual toothbrush. For traveling, it might be easier just to take this so you have your tongue scraper and your toothbrush built in. I do like the tongue scraper. It's long. I think it will do a very, very good job as a tongue scraper. The bristles are charcoal. Does that make any difference? Probably not. I think it's more of a gimmicky kind of a thing than making a real difference. But it's kind of fun to get these products and look at them and evaluate them and give my opinion. I'm not saying the toothbrush is bad. I am saying it's not inexpensive. So that's it for the Tokii brush. We'd love to hear from you if you have any questions, comments. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We would love to have you as a subscriber, and anything new that comes along or anything new in the way of dentistry or oral health or other things, we will let you know about. So remember this, if your mouth isn't healthy, and I'm really serious about this, if your mouth isn't healthy, you cannot be as healthy as possible. And in fact, the more unhealthy your mouth, the less likely you are to live as long as you would otherwise. So keep that in mind. Have a wonderful day. Keep that mouth clean and take care.
Restore your smile and your health. Visit drnemeth.com to schedule your appointment today.